Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and select apps. Following that, click on app lock and choose turn on. Now you need to create your pattern, and when you're ready, just repeat it. Now select next at the bottom right corner, and if you wish to log in, click on sign in and add. I don't want those, so I will go with don't add account and tap on not now after 5 seconds. Then if you wish to lock all of those apps, just click on use app lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them and just use app lock when you see 0 apps over here. If you wish to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps, you can do that by tapping on settings and following the instructions. I don't want to, so I will go with cancel, and now finally I can click on the switcher next to an app that I wish to lock, like AliExpress. So now when I click on the switcher next to it, go back and try to access AliExpress app. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!